I cannot believe that I lose in the Slender Engine game again. Henry, how come you won the game, but I only got one truck? This makes no sense. I don't know. I just got lucky for some reason. I don't know how I won it, but I just won. You engines are so scared to play the Slender Engine game. We are not scared, says the engine who only got one truck in the game. Well, do you think you can beat the Slender Engine game? Of course I can. I can finish this game very fast, even faster than you, Gordon. Whoa, so dark. Okay, I need to find 8 trucks. Hopefully I can beat this. I got one truck, and now I got another. No. Okay, so now I had to... Huh? Wait a minute. What's that noise? Why does it sound like someone's doing footsteps? Okay, never mind. I see another truck. Huh. How am I supposed to get that? With this turntable? I'll find another way soon. Oh god. It's a dead engine. What's that doing in the game? Looks like Henry's shell. I don't know why. A building? What in the... Okay. I've been playing like 10 minutes and I only gotten 2 trucks. Besides, Slender Engine isn't even here. Where is he anyway? Hey Slender Engine, come and get me if you like. Slender Engine, where are you? See? He's not even there. Ah! What's that? What in the world is that? Oh my. I only got 2 trunks. Why he come so early? This is the worst game that I ever played.